What's up, dolls? It's Kennedy Cheyenne and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a messy updo slash bun with a side swoop. So let's get into the video. Alright y'all, so first, my hair is blow dry right now. Like some of it, like the front is straight and the back is just kind of however. But I'm about to just go through it one time. Alright, cool. I just want to make sure it's going to be able to go up in my ponytail. Easy, like, yeah. Cool. So, next I'm going to carve out my my bang. I kind of want it deep. So, probably not that much. Okay, so my camera didn't record what I just did, but I just went around my whole head, the whole perimeter of my head, and I just parted out a small section. So yeah, just discretion. I've never done it how I'm finna do it, but I think what I'm finna do is gonna be real cute, because when I do my hair, like, I don't like putting too many like products in there, because I don't be wanting to wash my hair for real. And you know, like, the more products you put in there, the sooner you're gonna have to wash it, and then that style gets old quick. So if I can help it, like, I'm not putting nothing in my hair for real. But anyways, so you just want to pull all the hair that's in the center into a ponytail. Alright, so we got this in the middle, boom, and we're just gonna braid it. Now that I've got this hair into a little bun that I braided and then I wrapped around and secured with some bobby pins, I'm gonna go in with this bundle right here, and I'm just gonna wrap it around the entire ponytail. And you might be thinking, why did you leave out here to do that? Because since I'm going for that messy look, like, I want the ponytail to be kind of loose. Like, you know, if I were to sleek all, like, put all my hair up, I feel like I'd have to sleek the sides, and that's not what I'm trying to do. So yeah, y'all gonna see. Trust the process.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, right at it, guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, right at it, guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Okay. So y'all see? Cute. Alright, so now that I've got the ponytail attached, I'm going to go in and undo this and flat iron it. So, of course, my bio silk.
Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. As soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like, I'm outside in an empty,
or at least that piece out of
right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
All right, so now that we flat ironed our perimeter,
All the niggas grind me
this is
right,
when
right. Gotta watch
we
the
put it
price,
up in a
right,
ponytail.
right. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. I was pulling
So
strings,
now
baby,
that
you
we've
know
done that,
me.
we're
Sometimes I
gonna
wish
go
there was
in. Hold up.
three, three of me when
Make
there
sure I
was
got
two
my
of
hairs
me.
out. Do I want
I felt like I love you
like a
too
curl?
much to change you. You
I
believe in
don't know.
angles
I don't think
more
so.
than
But
angels.
anyway,
Feel
so
like
we're
I've
gonna
been
go
going through
in
too much to
and
explain
we're
to
just
you,
gonna grab
but I'm
some of
still
the
the
hair and
same
we're gonna
way I
start
was when
curling
I
it.
came to you. Everything I have, what I had to exchange for you. Everything I've been through, I can't even
Okay,
complain to
better.
you. Wish it
So
stayed the
boom, we
same
got
way.
that curl. And yeah, we just gonna curl the whole ponytail. Now that I've curled the hair, cute, bouncy curls, love it. We're gonna separate them. Yeah. Go in and do is just grab a chunk of the hair and a bobby pin, and you're just gonna bobby pin it into place like that. Boom. Take another piece of hair. I'll do this in the front. All right, boom. And we got some pieces of my hair out, so we're gonna curl those. Perfect. Told y'all, trust the process. It's looking real cute already. Bun should look cute and messy like that. And now for the bang. I don't know. I was gonna add a pack of these clip-ins, but truthfully, I feel like my bang is thick enough. So if you need it thicker, then you're going with some clip-ins, cause we're just gonna go right here. And it'll make it thicker, but it don't really need to be that thick. Unless I just want to put some clip-ins in. Normally this eats. It's not eating. It looks so cute, y'all. Okay, cool. Now we're just gonna do our baby hairs. So So this is the final look. It's so cute. Yes, yeah. This is so cute. This looks exactly like how I envisioned it in my head. Yep. I don't know why I'm shaking it like something. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of the tutorial. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.